Welcome to this tutorial on customizing framework view. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how you can personalize your framework view. A framework can be comprised of an unlimited number of framework items, such as goals, objectives, and indicators. However, you can effortlessly navigate your framework using our robust search mechanism. The search mechanism matches keywords, making navigation efficient. Beyond structure, Indicata calculates and displays yearly or overall indicator achievements. This helps assess how well the project is progressing towards its goals. Your framework can be designed to show data columns. For details on how to add data columns, see our Configuring a Project Framework tutorial. In Indicata, you have the flexibility to hide these columns to focus on framework items or display them to view indicator achievements. In the frameworks loaded with indicators, you have the flexibility to manage the indicator visibility. Indicata allows you to effortlessly hide indicators within the framework for a clear and uncluttered view of your framework. Frameworks by default display a tabular view. However, you can change the framework view to a diagram. This allows you to analyze data in a graphic format. For better data visualization, the framework diagram has the zoom in and zoom out functionality. Users can effortlessly resize the framework diagram to optimize visibility and clarity. Resizing ensures that the entire framework is conveniently displayed within the screen parameters. In the diagram view, you can examine or edit indicator performance metrics, such as achievement, actual, target, and baseline. Editing is simple. Just click the indicator name to access the indicator performance tracking table. Here you can view and edit the indicator data. Refer to our Filling in the IPTT tutorial for more details on how to do this. You have now customized your framework view and are ready to move on. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to make the best of Indicata.